What's up, guys, and welcome to another edition of Market Marauders, beating the market one trade at a time. First things first, if you're new to the channel, Market Marauders is an investment channel, help you find the best deals in the market. Um, Sometimes I actually go through and explain things that are going on in the company, stocks that I follow. So if that's something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button down below, like, comment, and share. Also down below, I have a Patreon page where you guys can come and chat, community where we talk about different stocks. Um, trying to build that community up to talk about different stocks throughout the week because there are a lot more plays that are made other than just the ones that I talk about. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you join that Patreon page. Down below, also, there's some book suggestions that I think every trader, retail, or professional should read. I think reading is very important when it comes to investing. And that being said, um, jumping into Taronis Technologies. Now, if you guys have been following the channel, I've been following Taronis Technologies forever. You know, if you want to go do some background information on all the previous videos I've done on Taronis Technologies, up above there'll be a link to that playlist, so you can go and look at all the information that'll lead up to this one, basically on Taronis Technologies. So this is just another update on Taronis Technologies, what they've done kind of recently. So Taronis to construct three new sterilization units. So basically says the first unit will be mobile, 300 kilowatts water sterilization unit. Primary purpose of the unit will be periodically treat hog farm lagoons. The unit will be used to kill pathogens, eliminate ammonia, and otherwise improve water quality. Unit specifically designed to rotate across a number of lagoons in designated areas. So, you know, they're basically expanding, their sterilization, which is their water pilot. If you guys haven't followed Taronis, there's Taronis Technologies, there's Taronis Fuels, Taronis Water. There's going to be Taronis Health, and then there is the water pilot. So I think this fits into the water pilot side of it, which is basically sterilization of water using their gasification system. They basically use that to sterilize the water. So I think if they can have something like that to actually help this Roni situation for sterilization, I think that's definitely a door that can be open for this company. I haven't seen anything on them, trying to use this technology in hospitals and stuff for that specific purpose. But I think, that technology to help destroy medical waste, especially in this Roni situation, with the pandemic going on, I think could yield the company to be very profitable. And I think it's something, the people working there, or at least Scott Mahoney, the CEO, should consider moving forward. That's just my personal opinion um, on the company because I think the technology is pretty good. Um, but maybe they already have something out there and they're trying to move forward with that. Um, but I know they definitely have a product that can help fix that, alleviate that situation. Jumping into another press release from them. If you guys are interested where I'm getting this from, this is not special information. These are just press releases on their website. So go to TaronisTechnology.com/investors or just Google Taronis Technology press releases, and this information will come up. It's just public knowledge. It's not special pass or anything. Some people are like, "How do you get this information?" Well, that's just Google Taronis Technology press releases, and it comes up. So it says Taronis will not pursue a reverse split to maintain listing status. So if you guys know, they had done a reverse split in the past. Also, I explained the whole situation in my previous video. So if you click on that playlist, you can watch more about that. Their past reverse split. And then they had a split. I guess not a split. They made their fuels side of their company tradable. So basically, there's Taronis Technology that's traded publicly, and there's ticker sign TRNF, which is Taronis Fuels, which is publicly traded as well. I think Taronis Fuels is on the OTC market, if I'm not mistaken. So look forward for that. On Robinhood, you actually can't trade TRNF. I do have shares of TRNF because they were distributed through dividends from owning shares of Taronis Technology. So since I own Taronis Technology, I got the Taronis fuel shares, and there's a long in the playlist. I explain that whole process of how that happened. Um, but just bear in mind, if you're on Robinhood, you can buy TRNX stocks, but you cannot buy TRNF stocks, meaning that they're the same company, uh, just two different divisions of that same company. Because it may pop up and people may say, what is TRNF? Is that the same thing as TRNX? Yeah, it's the same thing. It's just the fuel side of that company. So just bear in mind, you can only trade TRNX on Robinhood and not TRNF. But if you use something other than Robinhood, I don't know. I just am referencing from the Robinhood standpoint. But the fact that they said that they're not going to be doing a reverse split is definitely, really positive news, because the reverse split, basically no investor really wants to see them have a reverse split. Been there, done that with this company, and I'm glad to see, that they're not pursuing that path. Now, going into a last press release, it says NASDAQ provides temporary regulatory relief. It says Taronis exempt from minimum bid requirement until at least June 30th. So basically, this is because the company needs to be the company is below $1 a share. So when companies are below $1 a share, being above $1 a share is basically means the company is NASDAQ compliant. It's part of their contract or how they're listed. And as you guys know, it's been below $1 a share for quite a long time. But they've gotten some relief from that since June. So I expect between now and June to be a lot of press releases from the company to try to help give investors more insight on what's going on. I know they've probably been struggling with the whole Roni situation, but you know definitely more updates going on with what's going on with their fuel side, as well as their acquisitions for these other sectors of Taronis Technologies. So with that being said, make sure that subscribe button down below, like, comment, share. Make sure you watch that playlist that I've linked at the top. Just basically goes back into more background information. Just because I've been following the company for so long, it definitely gives you some good insight on their path forward or how they've led to this point in the company. So definitely check that out. If this video helped you, and you want to know more information, or you're just interested in joining a community of investors that talk about different stocks, make sure you join that Patreon page down below. And good luck trading to you all out there. I'm interested to see how far this goes up, and if it goes above $1 next week, or if it continues to kind of run under $1. I think it definitely has potential to go above $1, but that's definitely going to be based on some more information from the company themselves and what they're actually doing project wise. So, definitely to see more updates from that. And good luck to you all trading out there. Peace.